When we started, we thought, what are the 3 key problem statements we can help solve for Evolve? We came up with, how do we save the time of business developers and key account managers? Then, how do we build trust in the existing fleet owners by leveraging the success stories of present Evolve clients? Finally, how do we optimize Evolve's sales process by refining the prospects so that the business developers and key account managers get only high-quality and interested prospects? We know that your business developers and key account managers are investing significant time and effort in training contractors, only to find that the trained personnel are departing from the organization. On the sales front, the business developers and key account managers are faced with the challenge of requiring 2 to 3 visits to secure a sale, indicating an inefficiency in the current sales process. Here's our solution. We plan to introduce a comprehensive educational video content creation service. By doing this, our initiative targets efficiency gains, reducing time spent on manual training and ensuring a scalable and engaging learning experience for contractors and single points of contact. Our goal? We aim to create a library of 20 educational videos within the first 2 months, covering a comprehensive range of topics. We can create video content in over 14 languages, covering over 92% of the Indian regional languages. To solve the problem of the lengthy sales cycle, we plan to implement a multi-phased strategy by creating engaging video content for WhatsApp forwards. Curating a targeted public relations campaign consisting of digital media articles, video interviews, and influencer collaborations. The final solution, utilizing and filtering the database of existing fleet owners by establishing a pre-sales call center for Evolve. With a potential of a vast market with 40,000 fleet owners and 10 million trucks. Our in-house call center setup with real-time lead management, scripted conversations, and auto-report generation detailing the outcomes of a call aims to generate filtered high-quality leads for the business development teams. Our goal? To set up the pre-sales call center team to reach a target of 20 members who will outreach to cover the entire database of 40,000 fleet owners. In a nutshell, we aim to solve 3 problems: enhancing contractor training efficiency through educational content, enhance sales process and conserve the time of business developers through value proposition content and public relations campaigns, and utilizing the available database of fleet owners by setting up a pre-sales call center. Thank you for watching.